When it comes to pH balancing our rainwater, the thing we really are trying to do is maintain that pH above 6.5 in our tanks. To do that, one of the most common ways that people do that here in Hawaii is the addition of baking soda. And under normal situations where we don't have to deal with VOG, a 10,000 gallon tank like this is going to go through about 2 to 3 pounds of baking soda every month. The alternative to that is we provide an acid rain mineral pack that we float in these tanks. It's slow dissolved minerals, will maintain that pH balance for many months, and we don't have to add the additional baking soda very often. For those of us on the Big Island that live in the Kau district or in areas affected by VOG, you will need to use more baking soda, and it's possible you might need 2 mineral packs in your tank to be able to add enough minerals to correct for the additional acids in your rain. So keep it safe out there, everybody. pH balance your rainwater. Please consider subscribing or leaving a like if you liked this video. This helps us spread the word about safe water harvesting everywhere